Book of Heaven, Volume 2, May 6th, 1899. Luisa looks for Jesus amidst the angels. This morning, Jesus hardly made himself seen. I felt my mind so confused that I almost could not comprehend the loss of Jesus when I felt surrounded by many spirits. Maybe they were angels, I cannot tell for sure. While I was in their midst, every now and then I would investigate. Who knows, I might feel at least the breath of my beloved. But as much as I did, I perceived nothing that would reveal the presence of my loving good. Then I felt a sweet breath coming from behind my shoulders, and immediately I cried out, "Jesus, my Lord," he answered.
Luisa, what do you want?
"Jesus, my beautiful one, come. Do not remain behind my shoulders, for I cannot see you. I have been waiting for you and investigating for the whole morning. Who knows, I might see you amidst these angelic spirits that surrounded my bed. But I could not. Therefore I feel very tired, because without you I cannot find rest. Come, for we will rest together." So Jesus placed himself near me and sustained my head. Those spirits said, "Lord, how quickly she recognized you. Not even at your voice, but at your mere breath, immediately she called you." Jesus answered them,
She knows me and I know her. She is so very dear to me, like the pupil of my eyes.
And while he was saying this, I found myself in the eyes of Jesus. Who can say what I experienced, being in those most pure eyes? It is impossible to manifest it with words. The very angels remained stunned. Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.